Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my first video in 2025. I hope you all are doing well. Today we're exploring AI masking tools in Luminar Neo, how you can mask anything with ease using the power of AI in Luminar Neo. These tools will save you a lot of time and make your edits more precise. So without any further ado, let's dive into the magic of AI masking. So in Luminar Neo, go to the Edit tab, and you can find the masking tools in each of the adjustment settings. Let's tweak the color, open it, and you can see the masking tools right beside the adjustment setting. Click on it, and here we have 6 different masking tools that you can use. The 3 on top are the basic masking tools you probably already know. You can find these on most photo editing software. Brush tool, to manually select the area you want to mask. It takes time but gives precise results. Linear gradient tool, to create a smooth transition, often used in landscape or background. Radial gradient tool, to create circular or oval masks. The 3 on the bottom are the AI-powered masking tools: Luminosity, Mask AI, and Object Select AI. Each one uses cutting-edge technology to help you create precise and professional edits. Let's explore them. First, let's start with Object Select AI. When you click on it, the AI will analyze and detect each specific object in your image automatically. For example, if you have a photo with people, buildings, or animals, the AI can quickly identify these elements and isolate them for editing. After it's done analyzing, move your cursor to the object you want to select. You can see the preview, and with a single click, it's selected, just like that. But remember, it's not always perfect. Sometimes you need to fix some areas like this here. You can always combine multiple masks to fix any areas that need adjustment. For example, you can use Brush Tool to refine areas that weren't selected properly. And now, you can apply the adjustments seamlessly. Next, we have Mask AI. Similar to Object Select AI, when you click on it, the AI will analyze the image. The difference is that this tool will break down and categorize each area, such as sky, water, mountains, and more, into options like this. After that, with just one click, you can mask the area that you've selected. It's an excellent tool for landscape photographers who want to make selective edits quickly. Finally, there's the Luminosity Mask, which allows you to create masks based on brightness levels. This tool is ideal for making nuanced edits to highlights, midtones, or shadows. Simply play with the slider. Drag it to the left to select shadows. Drag it to the right to select highlights. And keep it in the middle for midtones. This tool is especially useful for advanced editing, such as enhancing highlights without overexposing them or recovering details from shadows. Okay, so that's it. With these AI masking tools in Luminar Neo, you can create precise and professional edits faster than ever. So which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys next time.